Are you looking for a local plumbing service? One that you can trust to get the job done? Call A through Z Plumbing, your local certified plumber. Leaky faucet got you frustrated? No hot water leaving you out in the cold? From new hot water heaters to leaky faucets and everything in between, A through Z Plumbing has you covered. A through Z Plumbing can handle all commercial and residential plumbing needs. Looking to have your bathroom remodeled? A through Z Plumbing, available for all remodeling and new construction plumbing needs. Call A through Z Plumbing, your local certified plumber.